Hey, hello guys, and welcome back to All Things Micah and Beauty. My name is Micah, and as y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I lay or how I secure my wigs. As y'all know, I make my own units. This is a wig made by me. I will be showing y'all that video next on my channel. So if you want to see how I make my wigs, because I have a really tiny head, and if you have a tiny head, then we're here. You can't just go buy wigs. I have a video on that coming next, so definitely hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss it. But in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all what I use to secure my wigs so that it does not go anywhere. It's one step. It's easy. It takes 2 minutes of your day. You can take it off at night if you want. You can leave it on for the next day if you want. Easy, fast, and how I get everything to look like my skin color. I'm new at this wig thing, so don't judge if you're like a pro in the game. You're like, that doesn't look right, and this is what you need to do. Starting with this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I want to stand up so y'all can see the ends of it. I did put a curling, I was about to say wand. I did put a curling iron to this hair, this is just a Conair 1-inch curling rod that I got from Walmart. Inexpensive. It was like $20 to add some body to this hair, because this hair is Annabelle's straight Brazilian hair. As y'all know, I work with Annabelle back on my channel. I got so many questions about their curly texture hair that I've been wearing on my channel lately. And yes, I got it from Annabelle. That's where I got the curly hair from. So I reached back out to them and I was like, look, everybody loves y'all hair. So I want to try out some more of you guys' hair. I even was shocked because I've been wearing their hair for 5 months, their curly hair. And I'm like, it's amazing. It's soft. Like, I love this hair. Let's work together again. So they was like, sure. And they wanted to send me their straight texture this time so I can try it out. And so far, so good. This is 20 inches. I asked for 3 20 inches and an 18-inch closure. I installed every piece. Well, actually, it was about this much left of the tracks. But this is the hair all together in the back. Nice and full. I didn't put any serum on this hair to get the luster. It has this natural, shiny, gorgeous luster to the hair itself. The hair came so soft. Like, I just remember, like, why is it so soft? It's like butter. But I did dye this hair. I dyed all of my hair, guys, that I get because they do come in a natural brown color. I like to dye my hair jet black if I want it to be. So, yes, I did dye this hair and it's still nice. So yeah, let's just get into the video because I know y'all here to see how I lay this. And if y'all want more details about the hair, everything will be in the description. Go and check them out. All right, let's just get right into how I pop this baby on and how I secure it. I make my units myself, and the cap that I use is very tight. So my units pretty much go on very secure on their own. Like, this is it with no clips, no elastic band, no combs, no anything. And how the parting looks before I put any foundation on it. I did bleach my knots, but the lace color is not bad. It's not too far away from my skin complexion, which I love. But I am going to go in and put a little bit of my foundation. Just use my Fenty foundation. I pump it right here. I take my sponge. I blot it on there. And then I put it on my part, which is I'm gonna do now. And I'm gonna blot it just along like a T. Just along this part. And then along the actual part. Okay, so now that I put the foundation on the part, you can see the difference. It instantly made it look like, oh my God, that is her scalp. At least pretty close. I am going to, and even when I pull this back, that line isn't so harsh as before. as for what y'all came here for, how do I secure my units? Because I do take an extra step in securing my units. And what I use is this Got To Be spray, blow dryer. If you do not have the Got To Be spray, that is fine. You can use spritz. This is the spritz that I use. I even use this to make my units. Y'all will see how I make my units very, very soon, because I do plan on coming out with that video next. But if you have the pump it up will work just fine. And I like that these are so small. They're travel size. So if you are like traveling, and I don't think these come in smaller forms, you can't probably travel with this big old bottle, I'm sure. So you could use your spritz and it gives you the same hold. At least that's what I heard. So I haven't had a reason to try it out because I use the Got To Be. So you just want to make sure your lace and everything is where you want it. My Got To Be spray. You can move your hair out the way if you want. And you just want to first start with where your party is, right there, and just spray. And this is why I do this before I do my makeup, because it gets on your forehead. And then you can spray along the lace just to get a little bit more coverage than just that parting area, just like that. So you just want to make sure it's pretty dry. And yes, it's pretty dry. It dries pretty fast. That's it. That's it, I promise. And as you can see, I got a little drippage, so my forehead is a little sticky. Wipe your forehead, do your makeup, go about your day. That's why I waited to do my makeup second.
Say Telvin.
I know this all me, and I can't take it back. I hurt you. Go and get it off.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all want to see more videos like this, let me know. And yeah, let me know if y'all have been using this to lay off frontals or closures. I kind of want to try this with a frontal, because y'all know I used to try out the frontals, but I had all these steps I would try to do, and it was just a lot, and you got to do the invisible cap method, and it was a lot. But this way, it makes it simple, it makes it easy. So I may have to give this a try with a frontal. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.